Good day, everyone. This is Implosion Works. So the experiment I'm going to show you today is one where I was experimenting with the Coanda effect. Here I'm accelerating it with my motor thing. And when I was doing these experiments, and even before this too, I didn't realize just how much wind can actually come off of here's a smooth spinning disc, and that sort of got me to really thinking about that. So you see here, you can see the flame. The wind is, even though it's pretty smooth, the disc, there's quite a bit of air coming off of it. And here, I'm spinning the thing in the middle. The thing in the middle, I think, has magnets inside, so that might be causing the secondary disc to start spinning, not necessarily the wind. So here I'm testing a prototype of a flying thing. So it has a propeller in front, and then I have those things on the side to try to get it to stop spinning. But it's still kind of, it still spin. I think it might have helped it stop spinning as much. Those fins on the side, I'm not sure. There's the motor I used. And here's one I sort of found by accident, like how much, I didn't realize just how much the wind with those grooves, and when you spin it really fast, it like pushes tons of air sideways, and then I think it creates like a low pressure zone, probably the top and bottom of the spinning thing, and a serious wind coming up the sides. And this blender I'm using is the Sultan blender, which I think is like 30,000 RPM, or at least I think that's what it says, or something like that. And it's good for doing experiments, but you gotta be careful because it goes really fast, really quickly. Here, as you can see, when I set the ribbon thing on there, it sort of creates that sort of like that vortex shape it's in like all of nature and stuff. Interesting. And there's the bottom view, and then I made attachments so it works with the blender. So here's an interesting experiment I did where I was testing a Coanda effect, like with the spinning thing pushing the air down the sides. But what happened was when I spinned the white disc, it would actually suck up the bowl, like, because it created a low pressure zone underneath the white disc, and then it would suck up the gray bowl up to the top thing, because I didn't had it fastened down good enough or something.